na kuria akigomanite na murugamiriri munene wa urumwe wa wakimabururi na makiria ruhonge-ini rwa ethari ngue filipo grandi mucemanio-ini uria makoretwo makana maririirie makiria mitaratara ya gutigirira ati ni magiteithiriria mabururi maria makoragwo manyitete ugeni kana ethari ngue kuma mabururi mangi gukiri uguo bururi wa Kenya no ikorwo kigathiririo na njira nene kuona ati no ikoragwo unyitite athami bara makiria magiri magana mugwanja.
Durable solutions like voluntary repatriation remain elusive due to the ongoing violent conflicts and instability in the countries of origin, while resettlement options primarily offered by developed countries are barely enough for most refugees. Furthermore, refugee camps such as Kakuma and Dadaab grapple with significant environmental challenges due to high population density, limited resources, and inadequate infrastructure. These complex issues underscore the need for comprehensive and strategic responses to ensure the well-being of both refugees and host communities. The continuous influx of displaced populations into Kenya demands comprehensive and adaptable solutions to address the enduring issues of displacement and identity. But solutions must consider both refugees and host communities. This is why the government of transitioning from camps to integrated settlements is critical under the Shirika Plan. Declaration on Health, made in Nairobi, and the Mombasa Declaration on Registration of Somali Community have been implemented by government with support of partners.
Ripoti iyo igicera ria Minister Nyabara kuri bururi wa Switzerland ni iragitweka mweke twiko tugikiria oro hanini githie na mbere na kwaraniria na ithuĩ kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyanĩria ndaikoragwo Facebook na @muthingi TV ni kuo mohoro maya maraigu kinyana na njira ya imwe kwa imwe ona YouTube wagithie hau aikia like yako na comment ni twiko tukikena na njira nene njitikiria ngiko kigikiria oro hanini ndugathiore mitambo ni amu ni ndiragicokereria.